Mga kababayan ko, nandito tayo ngayon kay Sir Gregory White from New York City, USA. Pumunta ng Pilipinas para hanapin si Tv Bisaya number 1. Siya po ay 6 years nang na-stroke. Sir, how are you today?
Today I feel good because TV Bisaya 1 came to help me, and I'm thankful for everything that TV Bisaya 1 did for me as far as my stroke is concerned.
Thank you for trusting TV Bisaya. Can you make a short for your stroke for our people?
I've had a stroke in 2018. I came here in May to find TV Bisaya 1, and I found him, and he's helping me to resolve my stroke. And thank you so much, TV Bisaya 1.
Thank you very much. Mga kababayan ko, si Sir Gregory pala, na-stroke siya doon sa car. Inside the car, doon siya na-stroke, mga kababayan ko. Ngayon, tinawagan niya habang nagkausap sila ng asawa niya, your some loved ones, your wife, and he feel you something. That's why nakaramdam siya ng kakaiba sa kanyang katawan, at sabi na sa asawa niya, just hold on, everything happen in my yourself. And doon sa New York City, tinawagan naman niya agad ang kanyang relatives. Puntahan niya dito at tulungan. Pinuntahan naman siya agad ng kanyang relatives at kinuha doon sa driver's seat area. Sa madaling salita, sinugod niya sa hospital. Tumawag ng ambulansya at sinugod sa hospital. Ngayon, 6 months siya nanatili sa hospital. 6 months siyang na-confine doon sa hospital. At yun, napagkalaman na siya pala ay stroke. At mapalad si TV Bisaya 1 dahil hinanap from New York City, USA, pumunta talaga sa Pilipinas para hanapin lang si TV Bisaya number 1. TV Bisaya number 1, hangad ko po ay makatulong sa mga kapabayan natin for free only chiropractic, heel massage, bone sitting, and therapy. TV Bisaya 1, maraming salamat po mga kababayan ko. Sir,
No money involved.
legit.
Legit, most definitely. TV Bisaya 1 is legit.
Okay. Thank you very much for trusting. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. When I came here, I came expressly to find TV Bisaya 1 for him to help me to recover from my stroke. That's what I did, and that's what I'm here for. And thank you so much, TV Bisaya 1, for helping me. Most definitely. I'm here in the Philippines for TV Bisaya 1 to help me with my stroke. Thank you so much. Without any money or without anything, as far as any money, it's a celebrity blogger. It's a celebrity blogger helping people to recover from anything, especially strokes. Thank you so much, TV Bisaya.
You're welcome.
TV Bisaya 1,
my second session.
I hope that everybody from America that sees the video will come here to get the physical therapy that they need for their body from TV Bisaya 1. And make sure that you tell everybody that you come here to the Philippines to see TV Bisaya 1 to get your physical therapy and recover from anything that's ailing your body.
How did you feel our therapy?
TV Bisaya 1, I feel excellent. Your therapy was the best I've had, and I appreciate you coming here to help me and to recover from my stroke. Thank you so much, TV Bisaya 1.